but I love it. I actually really do like this a lot. It's stylish. There's so many features. The app is so simple. It's probably the most simplest app to use that I've ever had to use. So overall, I love this. Welcome back. Today we are showing you a RIVERSONG. This is a smartwatch. So check it out. Comes in a nice little box here. Peel that off. Let's go ahead and pull this out. So you get a charging cable, and they provide you with a nice little manual. Goes over all the features, how you should have the watch, and so much more. So make sure you check out their manual. So as you guys can see, we have a smartwatch on here, but we wanted a second one. And this one, you know, this is more of a square style. This is a round style. So I just wanted two different styles depending on when I'm going out. So let's see. What I do like about it right off the bat is it is silicone bands. So because it's silicone bands like this one, it's going to be nice and soft against my skin. And trust me, that is a plus. That's something you definitely want. So overall, we can see that it is really nice looking. Nice style. Let's go ahead and see how easy it can be put on. Well, first we want to see which way it faces. So first, to do that, we're going to go ahead and plug it in. Now this is magnet, so for the charger it just simply connects like that, and then you plug this in any USB port to charge it. For us, we're going to go and use a power bank. Alright, so now that we have it, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it says charging. Press and hold the button. Alright, so right away we can see that if you swipe, let's see, if you swipe up, left, right, so you got steps, sleep, heart rate, training, measure, beep, so your blood pressure, SpO2, weather, shutter, so there's a lot of stuff you guys could do. You got player, you got breathe, game, and settings. So under settings, you got stopwatch, alarm, timer, menu view, brightness. So we're going to go ahead and up the brightness. Let's see what else you can do in settings. So you got vibration on, theater, and then reset, power off, about, and then app. Really awesome. I mean, there's a lot of features on this, my friends. A lot of features. So it shows your steps, your sleeping, and all that fun stuff. You got your health, temperature, all the stuff that a Fitbit has. So weather is disconnected, shutter is disconnected. So once you connect it to your phone and go through all of that, player is disconnected. All that stuff will be connected once you sync it with your phone and the app. Breathe, so allows you to breathe. Let's see if we can go other ways. Wow, you can do a lot of stuff with this, my friends. So you can swipe up. Yeah, flashlight and all these other settings. Wow, this is really nice, my friends. Really nice. I am impressed. Wow. Really nice. Well, time to test it out for a week, my friends. By the way, this is how it looks once you put it on. It's easy to put on and easy to take off. You can adjust it to however you want, whatever position, and press the button on the side to bring up the screen. Actually, it looks like you can just tap it as well. Maybe sometimes, it depends. So we're still playing with it, but so far, I'm very impressed. Alright, so when you download their app, it's going to go through all these settings. So you're going to select your birthday and height and all this fun stuff, and then you can continue. Now, it's going to sign up right away. It's going to take you right to their main page. and then what you'll do is you'll add your device. I didn't have to create any account yet, so that's a plus. Let's go ahead, add device, and show you guys. Welcome back, my friends. All right, so after spending close to a week wearing this, I have a couple thoughts. So one is it is waterproof, but I do recommend taking it off when you get a shower, because you know, water and moisture gets underneath. So when you get a shower and you have it on, you could loosen the straps up and then kind of slide it around, but then it's just going to take a long time to, you know, wipe the water off and clean it. So I just recommend just taking it off when you get a shower. You don't have to. Again, you don't have to. It's just that's my personal recommendation after wearing it for about a week. Sleeping, everything works great with this as far as I can tell. You know, all smartwatches are off a little bit on, you know, your heart rate and different stuff. So each smartwatch, and this is something I've reviewed probably about 15 smartwatches, each smartwatch doesn't say the same exact thing. So you can be wearing two smartwatches on the same arm side by side, and each one will have a slightly different heart rate, and same with sleeping and whatnot. So, you know, this one is like all the others, that it's different from each one, but I love it. I actually really do like this a lot. It's stylish. There's so many features. The app is so simple. It's probably the most simplest app to use that I've ever had to use. So overall, I love this. I actually am going to give this one away as a gift and get myself another one, because I really do like this a lot. So that's my final thoughts on this. Absolutely love it.